Wix SEO Checklist tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up the checklist or the SEO checklist on your Wix website. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be pretty much very easy and simple. We're going to head over the left side of the screen. After we have chosen, of course, our website, I'm going to show you the setting from the start. Here we have our website. Click on this. Now we're going basically here to wait for the website to load up, and here you go. Now we're going to head over there, click on marketing, or hover on marketing, click on SEO and GEO. Now we have the SEO, which is going to be representing the search engine optimization, and the new GEO, which is going to be the generative engine optimization. So it is going to be for LLMs like ChatGPT and whatever. This is not our subject today. So we're going to use, in our case here, the SEO assistant or the checklist. So we're going basically here to head over there, click on view all tasks. So unfortunately I cannot have the steps to do since I do not have the premium plan. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be setting up the checklist manually. We're going to check up the SEO checklist. We can go and see it for free. Now the step one is going to be getting the homepage ready for Google search. That means that we're going to have to set the homepage title for search result. We can go ahead and do that. So how to do it? You can choose a title like and click on apply. For example, this is going to be this, and we're going to publish it. This is the first step. Now the second one is going to be pretty much easy. You are going to add the homepage description for search results. So we're going to type in a description. We sell clothes here. I'm going to have this as a description. So you can go ahead and have the keywords, sell clothing, for example, description requirements. So we're going to have the clothing. So we have 50 to 15 characters. So clothing here. You want to be stylish. You have came to the right place. For example, we're going to apply this and publish. Now we can go ahead and do that all the day, but I'm not going to waste the time to set everything like that. I'm going only to explain for you what is up to do. So the third one is going to be add text to the homepage. You need to add a keyword, and the business or site name you're going basically to add them within the editor. So you're going to open homepage in the editor and click on the text you want to edit to include one keyword. So it means that you're going to add, for example, here available, let's say here clothing. This is one of the keywords that we use. So after that we're going to put the site name. Basically here you can go and add your site name, add the logo or the text. Once you have did that, you're going to allow the indexing to make the homepage visible for the search results. So we are going to let search engine index our website. We are going to apply and publish. After that, we are going to optimize the site for mobile devices. You're going to enable the mobile friendly toggle, which is going to be within the website editor. Click on settings, then we're going to have mobile friendly. The toggle is here. You're going to make it like that and apply it. After that, we're going to basically add or head over the few last steps. Connect, as you can see, domain name, or connect a domain you already own. Once the purchase is complete, refresh the checklist. This is not, I'm not going to do that. Connect this list to Google Search Console. You're going to click on Connect Now to connect your setup. So you need to finish the checklist from start so you can go and do that. Now the second one, or step 2, is going to optimize the site page for search engines. Basically, you are going to see that we have the home page. You're going to add alternative text to all images on the home page, add links to the home page, set up the project page title for search results, the project page, meta description, project page, add links to project page, and then last one is going to be keep building on the site SEO progress. So you're going to have the SEO assistant and some other recommendation like keep going on the SEO learning hub, hire a Wix SEO partner, advertise on Google. These 3 are going to be optional. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you in the next one.